Hi everyone, I'm Tammy Trenta and welcome to ExpertVillage. I'm a certified financial planner, and some people might wonder, well, why would you want to get into that field? Well, for me, when I went to college, my parents both went into bankruptcy, and I set out to learn as much as I can about managing money as I could. So 13 years later, here I am, and I'm happy to share with you today all of the insights that I have learned in my experience. We're going to talk about things from starting out when you graduate from high school and you go to college and what to do with your first credit card. We'll talk about buying a home. We'll talk about getting married and how do you commingle your finances and how to make it not such a heated topic of married couples. We'll learn how to invest your money in a 401k, how to invest your savings, and what type of investments make the most sense for you, depending on your financial situation. Well, we all have to start somewhere, and whether you're financially flawed or financially fortunate, here's some no-brainers about managing your finances without paying unnecessary fees and expenses. Let's get started.